Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Raspberry Online School. This is Lutfur Rahman, assistant teacher, Govinda Prabha High School. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You all are at home, safe and sound. I am also well. Dear students, I have discussed about change of degrees in my last class. Today I am here to discuss about the rest of the change of degrees. I hope you all are ready to enjoy this class. Students, share this class with your friends so that they can enjoy this class. Dear students, now I will try to discuss about my lesson. Right now I will start my lesson. Let's start. First of all, I will write a sentence on the board. Students, notice the board. No other boy in the class, no other boy in the class is as tall as Sabbir. The next sentence, Sabbir is the tallest boy in the class. I have written two sentences on the board. Do you know what type of degrees the first sentence is? I hope you can say the first sentence is positive degree. How can we know the positive degree? If any sentence contains with no other, then I can say it is positive degree. Next, Sabbir is the tallest boy in the class. Do you know what type of degree it is? This is the superlative degree. How can I know the superlative degree? In this case, you have to remember that the superlative form of the degree is used, and the will be used before the superlative degree, that is superlative degree. So this sentence is superlative degree. Dear students, my today's lesson is positive to comparative, positive to superlative degree. Positive to superlative degree. Positive to superlative degree. Part 6. Dear students, in the meantime, I have written a sentence on the board. No other boy in the class is as tall as Sabbir. This is the positive degree. Now I have to change the sentence from positive to superlative degree. This is the superlative degree. Sabbir is the tallest boy in the class. This is the superlative degree. Now I will make a structure according to this sentence. Notice, students, notice the board. Subject var, the, the superlative form of the positive degree. Then from no other to before the verb. From no other to before the verb. Students, subject, that is subject, verb is the superlative form of the positive degree, that is tallest. Then from no other to before the verb, that is boy in the class. This is the superlative degree according to this structure. Students, I hope you all can change the sentence from positive to superlative according to this structure. Now you will change the sentence from positive to superlative according to this structure. No other student of our class is so meritorious as Aziz. No other student of our class is so meritorious as Aziz. This is the positive degree. Now you have to change the sentence from positive to superlative degree. Students, I hope you all can change this sentence from positive to superlative degree, right? At first, I will write subject, that is Aziz. The last subject. At first, I will write the last subject, that is Aziz. Then verb is Aziz is the meritorious, most meritorious, Aziz is the most meritorious student of our class. Aziz is the most meritorious student of our class. This is the correct form of the superlative degree. Aziz is the most meritorious student of our class. Students, the next example, no other liquid liquid no other liquid is as useful as water. No other liquid is as useful as water. Students, if we want to change from positive to superlative degree with no other, then we have to follow the structure. The structure is, first of all, I will write the last subject, then var, then the, after that the superlative form of the positive degree. At the end of the sentence, I will write from no other to before the var. Students, you have to change this sentence from positive to superlative degree according to this structure. The correct answer is the last subject, water, that is water. Water is the most useful, water is the most useful liquid. Water is the most useful liquid. Students, I hope you all understand what I have discussed about positive to superlative degree. The next example is no other port in Bangladesh, no other port in Bangladesh is as big as, no other port in Bangladesh is as big as Chittagong. Chittagong, Chittagong. This is the positive degree with no other. Now you have to change this sentence from positive to superlative degree according to this structure. I hope you all can change this sentence from positive to superlative degree, right? The correct answer is Chittagong, the last subject, Chittagong. Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Chittagong is the biggest port in Bangladesh. Chittagong, the last subject, that is Chittagong. Verb is the superlative form of the positive degree, that is biggest. From no other to before the verb, that is port in Bangladesh. This is the correct form of the superlative degree. Students, in the meantime, I have discussed about the first rule of positive to superlative degree. Now I am going to discuss about two rules. First of all, I will write a sentence on the board. Very few boys in the village very few boys in the village are as small as Sohail. This is the positive degree with very few. Now we have to change this sentence from positive to comparative degree. If I want to change this sentence from positive to comparative degree, then we have to follow the structure. Now I will make a structure according to this sentence. Sohail, the last subject. Sohail is one of the smallest boys in the village. Sohail is one of the smallest boys in the village. This is the superlative form of superlative degree. Now I will make a structure according to this sentence. The last subject, verb, then the superlative form of the positive degree. The superlative form of the positive degree. From very few to before the verb. This is the structure of positive degree with very few. Sohail, the last subject, Sohail, verb is one of the smallest, the superlative form of positive degree, that is smallest. From very few to before the verb, that is boys in the village. Sohail is one of the smallest boys in the village. This is the superlative degree. Now you have to change a sentence from positive to superlative according to this structure. Very few poets are as great as Nazrul. This is the positive degree. Now we have to change this sentence from positive to superlative degree. If we want to change from positive to superlative degree with very few, then we follow the structure. Students, you have to change this sentence from positive to superlative degree. I hope you all can change this sentence from positive to superlative degree, right? The correct answer is the last subject, Nazrul. Nazrul is one of the greatest. Nazrul is one of the greatest poets. Nazrul is one of the greatest poets. This is the superlative degree. Students, Do you understand? Nuzul is one of the greatest poet. I hope you all understand about this sentence, right? The next example is very few languages in the world very few languages in the world are as rich as English. This is the positive degree with very few. Now I will change this sentence from positive to superlative degree. The last subject, English is the richest. English is one of the richest. R-I-C-A-C-S-T, richest. English is one of the richest language. Languages. English is one of the richest language in the world. English is one of the richest language in the world. This is the superlative form of superlative degree. Dear students, I hope you all understand what I have discussed about positive to superlative degree. Now I will write some sentences on the board for practice at home. That is homework. No other husband is so good as Jim. Number 2, very few girls are as fair as Shaila. Number 3, no other boy of his age is so sincere as Jerry. The last number is very few roads are as narrow as this road. Those are the homework. Students, by this time I have discussed about positive to superlative degree. I hope you all understand what I have discussed. Students, The first rule is, if we want to change from positive to superlative degree with no other, then we have to follow a structure. The last subject of the given sentence, verb, after that the superlative form of the positive degree, at the end of the sentence from no other to before the verb. The second rule is, if we want to change from positive to superlative degree with very few, then we have to follow a structure. The structure is the last subject of the given sentence, then verb, after that one of the, then the superlative form of the positive degree at the last of the sentence from very few to before the verb. Students, I have discussed two rules of positive to superlative degree. I expect that you all understand what I have discussed. Students, that's all for the time being. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.